Okay, students, we are on Mod 1, Topic 2, Lesson 1, page 91. We're going to talk about definitions of key things here, specifically line, segment, angle, and distance along a line. A couple of review questions first. Use the vertical line test. So you have to remember what the vertical line test is for, to determine whether the graph represents a function. So use the vertical line test to see if it's a function. What is the vertical line test? If I draw a vertical line anywhere through the object, it can only touch one time. Notice it touches twice there, twice there. The only time it touches once is right there at its vertex. So since it fails the vertical line test, it is not a function. I remember that from last year in Algebra 1. So we apply that to this one here, and of course anywhere I draw a vertical line, it'll only touch one time. So that passes the vertical line test. So function. Okay, go to page 94. Okay, line segments, and angles. So first vocabulary here is a plane. A plane extends infinitely in all directions in 2 dimensions. It's like a flat book, any flat space that goes on forever, and it has no thickness. So if I took the screen and expand it in all, horizontally and vertically forever, then that would be a plane. Points that lie in the same line are called collinear. Co means same, and linear, line. So whenever you think collinear, you should think same line. Okay, vocab. What do I have going to? Go to page 96. Okay, an angle is a set of points consisting of a vertex point. Here's the vertex point right there. And 2 rays extending from that vertex point. So that's a ray, and that's a ray. Remember, a ray has an endpoint and goes on forever like that. It's got 2 rays that share a common endpoint. Okay, so that's the definition of an angle. And there's its vertex. Positive rotation. What I want you to get out of this, positive rotation is counterclockwise, as you see right there. That's positive versus if you want a negative rotation, you're going clockwise. Counterclockwise, positive, clockwise, negative. Okay, that's what you want to remember. Now go to page 101. Okay. You can describe translations using lines and line segments. You can describe reflections using lines. You can describe rotations using rotation angles. Complete each one. You can try to complete it first on your own here and then hit play and fill it in. A blank is a location in space. So that's review, that's point. A blank is a straight continuous arrangements of infinite number of points. And it's continuous. Line. Points that are all located on the same line, collinear. A blank is a portion of a line that includes 2 points and all the collinear points between the 2 points. That's a segment or line segment. A blank is a portion of a line that begins with a single point and extends infinitely in one direction. There's your ray. A blank is a directed angle. So that's going to be already put in line. Line goes right there. Okay, and I already put in point. Point goes right there. Okay, directional angle would be a rotation angle. Okay, directed meaning positive degrees or negative degrees. We talked about that. So that's a rotation angle. Blank is a set of points consisting of a vertex and 2 rays. That's an angle. right there. Okay, so this lesson was about learning your vocab. Okay, that'll do it. Now you can work on your Mathia.